Gots, look at that pizza. It's Big Joe, and today I'm going to show you how to make buffalo pizza. You capiche? So here's the ingredients. A cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce, or any hot sauce of your choice. A stick of butter. A quarter teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and a couple of drops of Worcestershire sauce. You know what I mean, here? Mink. Put it all in a pan, melt it up, and your buffalo sauce is ready to go on your pizza. Mink, for this step, what we're going to do is push down the dough to the edges. We want to try to get the dough nice and flat before we stretch it. Okay, now we're going to put our fingers like this. Just stretch it lightly. We're pulling with one and holding with the other. Pulling with one, holding with the other. Now it's time to put the sauce on. Whatever remaining sauce that I have left, I'm going to use for chicken wings or whatever you like in the future. All right, guys, now we're going to put the mozzarella on it, spread it all over the place, nice and evenly. And then after that, it's time to put the chicken on. All right, we're going to spread the chicken nice and evenly all over. You can put any type of chicken. We're using grilled chicken today. You can use fried chicken, your sister's ass, whatever you like. All right, guys, I'm putting a little extra buffalo sauce on the top. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Into the oven she goes, about 6-7 minutes at 550 degrees, and it's done. The oven I'm using is called the Univolt. It is a game changer if you're making pizza from your home. It goes up to 850 degrees. You can adjust the temperature from the top and bottom to give you that perfect crisp. And we got the finished product. Check this out, fellas. Mean guts. Look at that. All right, guys, listen to the crunch. Nice. Look at the undercarriage. So nice and crispy. Ming, forget about it. It's Lola and Luca approved. All right, guys, that's it for the buffalo pizza recipe. If you can't follow this, you're a disgraziat. Thank you. I love you. Please like, follow, subscribe, share, and whatever else you could do. Thanks, and see you next time.